Today we're going to be talking about solids. Can you tell me something that's a solid?
Metal.
Metal? Yeah. What else?
Plastic.
Plastic is a solid.
Concrete.
Yeah.
And wood.
And wood. Anything else you can think of?
No.
Nothing else? Okay.
Rubber.
Rubber. Okay. And what do you think of when you hear the word solid? What makes you determine if something is a solid or not? So you've told me that metal, plastic, concrete, wood and rubber are all solids. What makes them a solid? What does that mean to you?
They all have in common.
Yep. So what do they all have in common?
They're hard.
They're hard. Yeah. They are all hard. What else?
They do not flow.
They don't flow. Yep. They don't flow like a liquid, do they? Or move. Yep. What else? So you've said that they're hard, they don't flow or move, and anything else?
No.
What other characteristics or features do you think of when you look at these solids you've thought of?
Maybe heavy.
Might be heavy, yeah. Yeah. True, they all have those things in common, don't they? So, if we had, if we wanted to describe to someone what a solid is, would it be correct to say that all solids are hard? So, this blue tack here, is that blue tack a solid or is it a liquid?
Might be a solid.
Is it hard?
A bit.
It's a little bit hard, but we can bend it and change its shape. But when we put it still on the table, it stays in its shape, doesn't it? But it's not hard. Is it heavy? I've got a little rock here. Is that rock a solid? Is it heavy?
No.
Is it hard? Yeah, it is hard. So you can have solids that are able to be bent or then to change their shape, but when you put it flat on a table, it's not going to move. Sometimes they are hard, but still, when you put that on the table, it won't move. So, out of all these three things, what's the best way that we could describe what a solid is? It doesn't flow or move. Yeah, that's a great one. These two here, we have to put big question marks on them because not all solids are hard and not all solids are heavy. And there's one more thing you need to know. They don't flow or move and they don't change shape. If you put it down there and we stop squishing that, it's going to stay in shape. So we're going to do an experiment in a minute. I've got some secret mystery items under our tablecloth here, and we're going to go through, and you're going to look at each one and decide whether it's a solid or if it's not a solid. But I also want you to write why you think that is.